Welcome back to London Show, and we're making edible sand. We got our bowl, our sand, our whisk, and our milk in our bowl. Ready to get started? Let's get started. What's inside this box? Let's see what's inside. Oh, here's the sand. I can't get it. Guys, just 1 second. Wait. Where's the stickers? It's in there. Okay, guys, I found the stickers. Mom, that was the stickers. Okay, guys, so wait a second. Let's rip the box. I ripped the box. Okay, so this is the sand mix, and this is the stickers. Let me just show it to you. Huh? Well, the stickers, let's make it. Wait, you said this is sand. You said this is for sand. Ooh! You said this was sand. Supposed to be brown sand. Okay, let's pour the milk. Whoa. Okay. Now we gotta mix. Wait a minute. Now we're gonna put the mix in the little bowl. Let's open it up. Play. Wait a minute. Put the stickers on. Now we're gonna put in the refrigerator to cool. Now we're gonna clean this mess and good night. We're gonna see you in the morning. Welcome back to the London Show, and we're about to get the sand out of the refrigerator, and we're gonna taste it. Now we're gonna get the sand out. Let's get it out, kids. Everybody, let's get it out, everybody. Oh wow! Now we just take it out of the refrigerator. Now let's open it. It's really frozen, guys. I got an idea. Mom, help me. Can you help me? Mmm. This tastes good, everybody. Mmm. Mmm. Everybody. Next time at the London Show. Bye-bye.